Hello everyone and welcome back to the Harvestic channel. Fishing for squid has long been an iconic part of many cultures around the world. This type of fishing is often associated with warm, calm nights on the beach or of boats bobbing on the water, waiting for squid to be pulled in. Although sometimes considered a form of leisure, this type of fishing is a method that has been practiced for centuries, and is still widely used to feed families and supply a commercial market. Depending on the fishing method and the local waters, squid capture can look very different. Some methods involve large nets that can be dragged behind a boat, while others require divers to spear them or grab them by hand. But the most popular way to fish for squid is known as jigging. The jigging method involves attaching a jig, a metal hook with a light source attached to a fishing line. The light source lures in squid, which snatch at the jig as soon as it is in range. Any squid can be caught, from small juveniles to large adults. As with any type of fishing, the success rate can vary, but a skilled fisherman can easily spot when and where the squid are congregating, allowing them to get the best catches. However, the most important part of squid fishing is preparation. The right type of jig, the proper bait, and the correct technique is essential to ensure a fruitful outing. Jigs are available in a variety of makes and sizes, so it's important to know which type is best suited for the waters, conditions, and types of squid being sought. Bait also plays an important role in attracting squid, so choosing the right type is important. Natural bait, such as small fish or shrimp, is often the preferred option, though squid-targeted lures can also be used. It's also important to know the best places to fish. Squids can be found in all types of habitats, from intertidal areas to depths of up to 5,000 feet. Methods of fishing may vary according to where the squid is being sought. For example, depths of 3,000 feet to 5,000 feet usually require long-lining techniques and baiting with larger fish, while surf fishing may require a different approach and a different type of bait. When fishing for squid, it's essential to handle them with care. Squids have delicate bodies, so it's important to use barbless hooks when fishing and to release any squid that has been caught, unless it's for eating. Knowing the size limits for the area and the seasons when fishing for squid is also important, as keeping too many or targeting them out of season can be a serious offense. Once the squid has been captured, it must be cooled and cleaned. This is typically done with a combination of ice and running water. Much of the dirt will be removed during this process, as well as any dead or dying material clinging to the squid's body. At this point, the squid may be quick frozen, if it needs to be shipped to a different location. Squid processing in factories is both delicate and requires a carefully managed process to ensure a consistently safe and high-quality product for consumers. The process involves sorting, prepping, dividing, cooking, and preserving the squid before finally packaging the product for sale. Each step of the process is scrutinized to ensure that the quality and safety protocols are followed. First, the incoming squid must be properly sorted according to size and grade. Squid may come in a number of sizes and grades, and it is important that the product be well sorted in order to ensure consistency in the finished product. Once sorted, the squid is prepped for further processing. Most processors will start by cutting off the head, wings, and tentacles. The wings can be saved for some recipes, while the tentacles and ink can be pressed and dried for use in other products. The remaining body can be cut into slices or chopped into pieces. Depending on the grade and quality desired, the cut and prepared squid can then be canned, frozen, or dried. Squid pieces are cooked in brine before being canned in accordance with food safety regulations. To preserve the texture of frozen squid, it is frequently vacuum packed and individually quick frozen. The squid is inspected once more to ensure it meets the specifications set by manufacturers. Any rejected product is then disposed of according to food safety regulations. It may also be lightly cooked to further preserve it. This involves boiling the squid in salt water until it is just cooked through. It is then dried, breaded, and packaged. At this stage, it is ready to be shipped or stored for sale. Squid cooking is an enjoyable and delectable way to enjoy this delicious ingredient. With its versatile options, squid can be a great addition to any menu. Whether you are looking to cook an appetizer, a main course, or a side dish, squid dishes are as varied as they are delicious. They are commonly featured in stir-fries, stews, soups, salads, and pasta dishes. The texture of squid can range from soft and tender, to firm and chewy, and its flavor can be adjusted to suit a variety of tastes. It also does an excellent job of absorbing the flavors of other dishes, making it a great addition to many types of meals. Moreover, squid dishes offer a wide range of health and nutritional benefits. From supporting healthy muscles and joints, to boosting the immune system. And with that, we conclude this video. Thanks for staying tuned. Let us know what you think in the comments. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so you can always get to watch more insightful videos like this. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.